Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, we will cook Puto Maya. Puto Maya is a type of rice cake which is originated from Cebu City, Philippines. It's made of glutinous rice, fresh ginger, and coconut milk. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, are you excited? Let's go! Okay guys, we're now ready to cook our Puto Maya. So first thing, I have here 3/4 cup of glutinous rice. And then we're gonna soak this for 4 to 8 hours, or if you want it overnight, it's okay. So I have here 1 cup of coconut milk. And then our 3/4 cup of glutinous rice. 1/4 cup of sugar. And then ginger. Okay, we will cook this for about 8 to 12 minutes until the coconut milk is reduced. Okay, we're done for our first step, cooking the Puto Maya. Okay guys, we will continue to cook our Puto Maya. Then, so we have our steamer here, and then we will put the banana leaves. So we will continue to cook our Puto Maya using the steamer and then with the banana leaves, and we will steam this for about 30 minutes. Hindi kumpleto ang Puto Maya pag walang sikwate or the hot chocolate. So ngayon, tikman na natin ang Puto Maya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako kumain ng Puto Maya. Ayan, lagyan ko ng sikwate or the hot chocolate. And then, sarap. And of course, kailangan may mangga. Ayan. Perfect combination talaga ang Puto Maya with sikwate at saka mango, at mangga. Give it a try for your family. Talagang garantisado ang lasa, ang sarap ng puto maya with sikwate at saka mangga. So as for our shoutout, ayan. So for Annalyn Pila from Dipolog City, and then Sweet Jaja TV, Rose Saraga, Nanette Rivera, Leona Bellas, Cecilia Grace Lodia. So that's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel. Bye for now! Puto maya, sikwate, at mangga. Bye! Love you guys! Bye!